DIY key fob programming, 2003 to 2008 Nissan Murano. Programming your 2003-2008 Nissan Murano key fob is possible without dealer tools. This process links the fob's radio frequency, RF, to your car's immobilizer and door locks. You'll need at least one working key. Aftermarket fobs must match the original frequency, usually 314 MHz for Nissans. DIY success rates are around 70 to 80%. Avoid theft risks by ensuring correct programming. Incorrect attempts can trigger the anti-theft system. Let's get started programming your key fob. Enter the vehicle with a working key and close all doors. Cycle the ignition from off to on 5 times rapidly within 5 seconds each time and end with the ignition in the on position. Press and hold the lock button on the key fob until the hazard lights flash. This indicates programming mode. Release and press the lock button again. Repeat this step for any additional fobs you want to program, up to 4. Finally, turn the ignition off to exit the programming mode. Test the fobs by locking and unlocking the doors. If unsuccessful, disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes to reset the system may help.